Hey guys and gals, it's Adventure Link here, back again with another little maintenance and how-to video on a 2013 Dodge Journey with the Crew Edition. Today's video, we're going to go over how to change out the cabin air filter in your vehicle. It should apply to pretty much all Dodge Journeys 2009 up to now, regardless of what package it is, let alone what engine and drivetrain configuration it is. So with that being said, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your glove box. Next thing you're going to do is there's these two tabs, one here, one here. You'll pull these out. Ideally, you're just going to pull these together, one like that. And then there's another one you pull back like that. Now you're down. As you can see, there's your cabin air filter box. There's tabs, one here, one over here. Kind of feel around for it. Okay. Now on the tab on the cover here, you'll see that there's an airflow. You will need to, make all the arrows align with your new air filter, as it is with right here. Obviously, if you want to go OEM, there's your part number and how to install it. And we're going to do the obligatory filter pull and see what it looks like. Oh, it's nice and dirty. Ew, that's dirty. Ew. So, I'm going to have to get another air filter for this. Unfortunately, I don't have the air filter on me now, but to pretend that it's, the new air filter, we're just going to do this. You're going to line it up with the hole. You're just going to go in by feel. There it is. Just make sure that the airflow aligns as it was before, which is downwards. So make sure you do that. Then you just snap this door on. 1, 2. As a quality check, we're going to tug on it. It's shut. Yay! Now I just put the glove box back in. Make sure it shuts. Open. Shut. Open. Close. Open. Close. Good. With that being said, you just changed out your cabin air filter on your 2013 Dodge Journey, though this should apply to pretty much all Dodge Journeys as a whole. Now, this is actually a quick and easy process. It's just like on most other cars. You just undo the glove box, as shown in the video, find your cabin air filter housing, undo the two clips there, pull out the air filter, put it back in, make sure the airflow matches how it was on the old filter, button it back up, and you're good. There's also several different air filters you can get. You can just get a plain Jane filter, which just sits in there. Most likely this is what came from the factory. There's also a charcoal activated filter where it'll react to dust, dirt, smoke, etc. And when those things clog all the way up, then you got to replace the filter. Then, of course, there's the HEPA filters, which take out small microns down to like 0.3 microns, which is actually a good thing for me because I kind of got asthma still. And, of course, the other purpose of cabin air filters is that you may remember, having to clean out heater cores and evaporator cores. You know how it gets like bird feathers, mold, dust, debris, etc. The point of the cabin air filter is try to, block out as much of that as you can. That's why we have cabin air filters now. That's a good thing. So that's pretty much it on my video on how to do a cabin air filter on a Dodge Journey. I'm Adventure Link. Thank you for watching. Be sure to do all the stuff that helps me make a living here on YouTube and helps get my word out. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Share it to friends, family, anyone else that owns a Dodge Journey. Remember Captain's Bell. If you never want to miss another video from me again, remember to ring that bell. Social media and medical bill donations, links in the video description. All donations are appreciated. I would appreciate it greatly. Any amount helps out. And as gains for the greater sake, it helps keep this channel and myself alive and undead. And I'm going to sign off with the wise words of wisdom from Eric the Car Guy. Be safe, have fun, and of course, stay dirty. But do keep your cabin air filters as clean as possible. Please, for the love of YouTube and all that is holy. This has been Adventure Link, signing out. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for supporting my channel, past, present, and future. And until next time, have a good one, and have a good rest of your day, evening, or whatever time of the day this is for you.